High-tech companies need to be fast in delivering differentiated, innovative products for demanding markets. And to be competitive and profitable, they need to master global compliance and regulation while meeting stringent cost and time-to-market targets. Imagine being able to leverage a single platform to streamline all compliance and quality-related processes so that the new product introduction team can ensure and document product compliance at launch. The Compliant Product Release solution enables you to optimize global sourcing through effective component selecting strategies, manage the global production definition as disciplines deliver new designs, and synchronize, analyze, and report all compliance and quality-related activities. As a result, high-tech companies can increase engineering efficiencies all the way to manufacturing, improve visibility on processes, issues, and opportunities, and secure compliance with quality and regulatory standards. Turn compliance and quality complexity into a business opportunity and empower your new product introduction teams with Compliant Product Release. Discover more.